IELTS Speaking Part 2 Topic. Describe an activity or hobby that you enjoy doing with your family or friends. What is the activity or hobby? Who do you usually do it with? Why do you enjoy doing it together? How does it strengthen your relationship?
Engaging in shared activities often lays the foundation for stronger bonds among family and friends. One such captivating activity that I thoroughly relish partaking in with my near and dear ones is cooking. The amalgamation of culinary skills, laughter, and the joy of creating sumptuous meals together brings us closer and deepens our relationships. Cooking, a pursuit that transcends generations, is our chosen endeavor to unite and savor each other's company. Typically, it's a weekend ritual where I gather with my family, including my parents, siblings, and sometimes even close friends. This collaborative effort transforms the mundane act of preparing meals into a culinary extravaganza. The kitchen becomes our creative haven, where we experiment with diverse ingredients and concoct mouth-watering dishes. The joy of cooking together is multifaceted. Firstly, it provides an opportunity to share and exchange family recipes, often passed down through generations. This not only preserves our cultural heritage but also imparts a sense of continuity and belonging. Secondly, the process involves a myriad of tasks, from chopping vegetables to stirring sauces, allowing us to divide the workload and communicate throughout. This fosters a spirit of camaraderie as we seamlessly synchronize our efforts like a well-orchestrated symphony. Moreover, cooking together nurtures our relationships by fostering open communication. As we dice, sauté, and simmer, we engage in heartfelt conversations, sharing our daily triumphs and tribulations. The culinary environment, often fragrant with the aroma of spices, seems to evoke a sense of comfort that encourages us to open up. This level of vulnerability strengthens our emotional bonds, creating an atmosphere of trust and understanding. The shared experience of cooking also instills a sense of accomplishment. As we present the final dish on the table, a sense of pride engulfs us. The appreciation and praise exchanged for our joint efforts further solidify our connections. This sense of achievement isn't merely confined to the taste of the dishes but extends to the tangible fruits of our labor. In essence, cooking together knits our relationships in a fabric woven with the threads of togetherness, communication, and shared achievement. It's through the blending of ingredients and flavors that we blend our lives, creating a tapestry of cherished memories. By all means, this culinary pursuit has transformed our relationships into an unbreakable bond, seasoned with love, laughter, and a pinch of each member's uniqueness. To sum up, engaging in the art of cooking with family and friends is a journey of shared experiences, emotions, and flavors. It's in these moments of chopping, stirring, and seasoning that we create not just delectable dishes but also everlasting connections. As we savor the dishes we create, we also savor the moments of togetherness, which are, undoubtedly, the most precious ingredients in life's recipe. Hope you liked our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated.